Hey Queen, what if I told you the reason your hair is not growing may have absolutely nothing to do with the body sitting in your bathroom right now? What if the expensive oil, the serum, the vitamin, the shampoo, and even the protective style are not addressing the real reason your hair continues to thin? Because here, the truth, this is the truth. Every single week, I hear from women who are frustrated. Women who have spent hundred, sometimes even thousands of dollars trying to save their hair. Yet, they are still dealing with excessive shedding, weak edges, slow growth, thinning of the crown, and declining confidence every time they look into the mirror. And the most heartbreaking, hear me out, the most heartbreaking part, many of these women are not failing. They are simply solving the wrong problem. See, because this is why. Her loss is really just her problem. Maybe you hear me be like, what she's talking about? Let me say it again. Because her loss is rarely just a hair problem. See, sometimes it's stress. Sometimes it's hormonal. Sometimes it's nutrition. Sometimes it's inflammation. And sometimes it's scalp health. See? And sometimes it's a combination of several factors happen at the same time. If you have been feeling confused, overwhelmed, frustrated, or wondering why nothing seems to work, or why nothing seems to be working, this message is just for you. See, that's exactly why I created something special for all my queen. Here, with this Queen Bellies community, you have a gift. I wanted to create a place where women could stop guessing. This is my whole reason for opening up the channel. A place where they could begin looking at the bigger picture. Not just the hair they see in the mirror, but the factor that may be influencing that hair from within. See, because after years of working with women experiencing thinning hair, excessive shedding, weak edges, slow growth, and crown loss, I have learned something very important. I want you to pay attention. There is no one-size-fits-all solution. See, every woman is different. You are unique, queen. Every story is different. Every crown is different. And that is why I created the crown restoration assessment. See, think of it as our first step toward clarity. This assessment was designed to help you begin identify pattern and also uncover possible area that may deserve attention on your restoration journey. See, you will answer questions related to hair history, your lifestyle, your stress level, your scalp health, your nutrition habits, and other important factors that are often overlooked. And I think this is the magic. This is where everything's happening. If you take your time and just fill up the information, I promise you, it only take about 2 minutes. Because when we understand more about what happened beneath the surface, we can make more informed decisions moving forward. And that is powerful, isn't it? No more random buying products because someone on social media said they worked. But your body is totally different. How can you trust that? So, no more trying everything and hoping something stick. It won't. Why? Because it's not based on your personality, on your health factors, and different things that can go into your own personalized approach. So, no more feeling lost and wondering why you are missing. It is time to gather information, queen. It's time to gain clarity. It's time to start understanding your crown from a whole perspective, like what I call holistically. So now, let me be clear. This assessment is not attempting to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any medical condition, but it can help you begin looking at your hair journey through a more informed lens and also identify areas that may deserve further attention and support. Because true crown restoration is about more than what you put on your hair. It's about supporting the whole women. And that's why I am here. Actually, when you go to our program, Whole Woman Wellness or Transformation, is very important. So your health, your habits, your nourishment, your lifestyle, your stress management, your overall wellness. So, Queen, if you are ready to stop guessing and step into what I call a discovery moment, you are tired of wasting money or solutions that don't work or don't address your unique needs, then if you are ready to take this first step toward understanding what may be contributing to your hair loss or your hair challenges, then this assessment right here is for you. I want you to take the assessment, restoration assessment today. So go to queenbellyscrownrestoration.com/quiz. I'm also going to put the link under this video so it's easy for you, easy and peasy. The link is also in the comments below. Yes, I'm also going to print it out so you have quick access to it. Another question, honestly, is that I'm going to also have opportunity to review the results. And I know, the cool thing for me, lady, when you do the quiz, just bam, your result is right there. Okay. So review your results and also begin your journey with clarity instead of confusion. That's when you can go and make. Don't forget, a lot of people do this. As soon as they get the result, they forget to go in and lock their day down. Lock your day on. Just what? Make appointments and come and see me for 1 hour consultation where I'm gonna break everything down, because your crown deserves more than guesswork. Okay, and your restoration journey deserves a strategy, and that's why the quiz is very important. Stay encouraged, Queen. Listen. You have the power to make this hair growing back again. Your crown is well restoring. Okay, so take the assessment and I will see you on the next side. Chance, and also, you know what? The change that some of you guys will be able to, when you do come for your consultation, you're able to meet, face to face, talk, and then see exactly what is going on. I'm also assessing hair also. So don't, if you have something, a protecting style, just if your crown is tiny, let me able to see your crown. And we will craft something that I know for sure will help you out. Queens, let me, listen. The assessment works because it tell me what is going on in your body internally. And that's what we need. The clue. When you found the clue, I promise you the solution is right there. So my goal is to able, right now, I am customized product, like for shampoo, from a conditioner, from oil. I mean, everything is personalized just for you. This is how we're going to change those habits. This is how we're going to, go from hair loss to hair restoration. Okay? Again, Queen, this is Coach Malika with Menopause Hair Restoration, and I'll talk to you soon. Ciao for now. Don't forget, click the link and take the quiz and send me. Just go ahead and book your consultation. It's free for you, by the way. Love you, ladies, and talk to you soon. Mwah.